This is John Takip. I'm the fire chief here in Des Moines, and we're talking about a record number of runs for the Des Moines Fire Department in 2022. We saw about a 5% increase, which resulted in a record number of calls for us, nearly 32,500 calls. The majority of our calls, or about 64%, are EMS calls. And so those saw a pretty big increase in this last year. The men and women of the Des Moines Fire Department are more than prepared to respond to emergency medical calls for service. When a person needs help, when they have chest pain or they have trouble breathing or there's been a car accident or something like that. But one thing we want to remind people is we're often not the first place that people should turn in general about their health. Having a primary care physician or having a local clinic that you go to is a good place to start so that someone knows your medical history. And so if you get a cold, you get a cough, you have the sneezes or whatever it is, you have a medical professional that you can regularly call upon to get your day-to-day, week-to-week kind of health care. And then when there's an emergency, we are always ready to respond. The fire department did see a record number of calls in 2022. And that's really the quality of the care provided and the service provided is a testament to the men and women of the Des Moines Fire Department who show up and work really hard every day. And while they're doing that work, we're also hiring new people to replace those who retire, and we're planning for the future. We have a newer fire station in Station 11 in the northeast part of town. We're going to move Station 4 a little to its northwest to provide a better coverage there. But we've also hired a series of academy classes, and the 100th academy class will start this month in January of 2023. Like all years, we are proud to serve the residents of the city of Des Moines, and our people are the very best. We spent a lot of our time in 2022 growing people, growing skills, getting leaders prepared for the future. So not only are we responding to the needs you have, and we're planning for those operational things to be able to handle whatever comes next for the city, we're also taking care of the people that provide that service so they can grow and prepare, become the leaders of tomorrow.